100% household chores are very, very good for your overall fitness levels. Do not fear weight training. Get dumbbells at home. Whatever your weight loss goals are, you'll achieve them much faster through weight training. Are you someone who deals with a lot of heavy flow? Are you someone who deals with light flow? Or are you someone who's extremely active? Are you a professional athlete? Are you a professional weightlifter? You're not going to become big and bulky. In order to become big and bulky, you've got to inject your body with testosterone, the male hormone. That's what female bodybuilders do. But if you lift weights, if you use dumbbells, if you use yoga, you're not going to become massive. You're going to get to all those fitness goals that you've ever had much faster. That's what I'd recommend. Trust me, women need weight training even more than men, because men's bodies start deteriorating in terms of bone density, strength, muscle at the age of 40. Women's bodies start deteriorating at 25. Therefore, please start your weight training process now to ensure that your bone density doesn't plummet, it stays rock solid, and to ensure that your body strength keeps going up as you age. Because you actually burn off a lot of calories in those 1-2 hours of work. They are going to keep you fit in the long term. It is something I recommend, and its power is something that I've discovered myself during the lockdown when I was doing the household chores. So I do my resistance training in the evenings, but through the day. At the start of the day, I'd begin by mopping up the house. And I saw that I got into the best shape of my life because I was burning off so many calories doing your household work. So I definitely say focus on it, but at the same time have a form of resistance training active in your life in order to build strength as well. Heavy flow, lots of pain. You've got to ask yourself that does exercise actually help you release some of the pain because exercise releases endorphins, or does exercise become very strenuous for you during your periods? So on the days where you're dealing with a lot of pain, lot of flow, and you're not feeling like it, listen to your body. Honestly, this whole concept of exercising during your periods is something you'll only understand through experimentation, all right? And if you're someone who deals with light flow, usually the advice that most fitness professionals would give you is that you should definitely ensure that your fitness regime is solid even through your periods. But if you feel like it's too much of a load on your body, don't do it. Experiment, learn your body better, understand your body better. I'll tell you the perspective of a man. 10 years into this fitness journey, I'm still experimenting, still understanding, oh, okay, this food suits me better, this exercise regime suits me better. That's the nature of fitness. You understand it as you keep moving forward.